Hi, continuation to the previous tutorial. So we last video was I was showing how do we write a basic Perl program and run and execute a Perl program. Now we'll be seeing a Perl comments. So for any programming language, we need to know how do we write the commands, right? Either in C, C++, Java, or whatever the language you are using. So first thing, important thing we need to know is how do we write a comments in a Perl program. So why it is important, right? So we write a business logic into the program, and we need to understand each step what it is doing. For example, uh, you are there the input to the Perl program is like the .csv file. Okay, it is .csv file with delimited, right? So it has several columns, and you have to capture specific columns. For example, let us take the student's data, a student name, student age, class, uh, divisions, and set of phone numbers, and it has all these different categories, and the marks. So first I wanted to calculate the business logic for marks. I want to extract all the marks of a particular student, sum up and give the total. And another is need to extract the email ID and also the phone number of it. So for whenever it signs that email ID, an email will be sent to this particular student with the marks list or to his parents. So there are several business logics in this. So the source is like CSV file, we extract the information and we pass it. So if you are started writing the Perl program for this, so you keep on writing the code, so it might be a 50 lines or 100 lines. But if you are specifying a comments for each line or each step or each logic you are coding, so that gives a very understandability and readability. So even if after developing a code, if that particular guy has left the company, and if a new person enters and if you see the program, it is very much easy to understand. And even for ourselves, it is very much easy when we refer back in the future changes. Okay, so let's see how do we comment it. So add comments to your code. It starts with the hash and continue to end of line. Whether you can add at the starting of the line or you can end of the line. Let's see how it is. So you can see here I have commented this is a hello world program. So print is the statement. Okay, this is the particular statement that we have written in the Perl program. Above it, I'm giving a justification or a description what this below line stands for. So hash, this is a hello world program. So it means like I can understand, okay, the below statement is saying like it is going to print the hello world onto the screen. So this is a comment, and you can also add the comment after this. So whenever it encounters hash, it feels like it is a comment and it will carry on, and this will be written as a print. So that's the reason you can see two different comment lines. Okay, so this is how we write a comments in Perl program. Thank you for watching the video.